Safety starts here. Grade K2 is a professional self-adhesive, washable label material producer. This is the REACH certified material we tested for product TK01. Our washable clothing label material has passed REACH certification, which is guaranteed to be free of harmful substances. Our label materials support a variety of printing technologies, including solvent, ECO, UV, latex, etc. This washable clothing label material can be printed and cut for use on children's, hospital, and nursing home uniforms. It is skin-friendly and tested to avoid allergic reactions. As a trusted raw material manufacturer, K2 provides high-performance, REACH-certified label materials to global distributors and label printing companies. Choose safety. Choose quality. Choose Great K2.